15 kilowatt radio frequency Tarpaulin welding machine. Automatic operation by pedal. The welding power. After welding, manual operation by buttons. Now the machine is in the manual operation. We can use the manual operation to align the material to make sure it is in the right position. This button to start a welding cycle. Logo. 3 layers. Welding 3 layers tarpaulin at a time. You test the anti-press hand function. Okay.再来一次。OK， 可以。Lock mode. This machine has a quick clamping for the mode. 再转。Lock mode.